pretty disappointing. It's obviously not what I had requested on behalf of the Commonwealth. I think that one of the best parts about an adversarial system is you have, two separate and distinct sides. Obviously, the defense attorneys were here to advocate for their clients, and the Commonwealth to advocate not just for the Commonwealth and the victim in this case, but also to balance the interests of the defendants. And I think the judge had a very tough job. And while I'm disappointed by what the ultimate outcome is, I think there should have been lengthier incarceration. I do understand what her decision here is today, and appreciate that she has been dealing with this case for a number of years as well, and understands this case from her viewpoint and her perspective, and we all have a role to play. I think that when you're talking about individuals who are otherwise on their way to being productive members of society, we're talking about very young men. And you look at the fact that they now have been convicted of felony 1 and felony 3 offenses. Those 2 offenses are very, very serious, and any future prospects for employment, volunteer opportunities, whatever they may do in the future is going to be impacted by that. So I think to suggest that because this was a voluntary manslaughter plea that was lesser than what was initially charged, to suggest that that's somehow a real break for them really doesn't fully understand and contemplate what impact that offense will have on them. So I think right now it's still a little bit kind of modeled with their own personal feelings of fear or kind of confusion over the whole criminal system. I think there's a bit of selfishness still at play, but having spoke with each and every one of them, I don't doubt for a second that there is remorse on behalf of each and every one of them.